I think these are really important events in the sense that there's a growing community of people involved in trade and supply chain. It's an international group. They need opportunities to come together and to have a chance to exchange views and update each other on recent developments and future trends in the business.
Getting these people together creates a synergy, and that can only be positive.
When I look at the agenda for today's conference, it was very encouraging to see the breadth and depth of the companies that were represented here.
Excellent turnout. Glad to see everybody here. I think this is going to be an excellent day.
Exporta Trade and Supply Chain Finance Solutions Conference is one of the key events in our marketing calendar every year. It is a marketplace where we are able to meet other players and confront each other with our current solutions and get a benchmark to see where we stand in terms of market trends.
It's not so much about products or programs that have drawn us to your conference. It's really about collaboration, because no one bank can finance the world's trade. No one logistics company can deliver the world's trade.
At the end of the day, the corporates have to pay the bill, and the banks are the provider and the exporter.
The networking sessions are very fruitful and helpful for us, because corporates get first-hand information from the banks, and banks can also learn a little bit more about the needs of their customers.
Trade and supply chain conferences like today are very important to bring together the corporate treasurers and the banks so that they can review the typical transactions that are being done in the market and understand the regulatory frameworks as they change.
For me, supply chain financing and supply chain management basically is integrating and connecting the seller with the buyer. So it's the right goods, the right quantity, the right price, the right delivery, the right warehousing, and of course the right credit management and payment procedures.
The interesting part about this industry at the moment is that I think it's changed dramatically. The general mood in gatherings like this compared to 2 or 3 years ago is much more positive.
Our economies are getting back to a certain normality. Trading is on the increase, and therefore for those of us in the financial institution world, demand for our services is increasing.
Banks are looking at innovation, at new solutions to support their customers. Net, a very much improved mood.
This is becoming again a fairly central part of where the world economy is focused. So these people and the institutions they represent are really going to be critical to building this as we all move forward.
We're still early on the development curve as supply chain finance is an offering, and there's still a lot of education to be done.